Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the device is not certified error in the Google Play Store on an Android phone. So let's get straight into the steps. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. Open About and look for Play Protect Certification. If your device says Device is not certified, continue with the steps below. First, make sure your phone is running the latest available version of Android and install any available updates. Also check for updates to Google Play services and the Google Play Store. If your phone is using an unofficial ROM, modified firmware, or software that is not properly certified by the manufacturer, that may be the reason for the problem. If your device is eligible for Google's device registration process, you can check the official Google registration instructions. You may need your device's Google Services Framework ID depending on the registration method available for your device. To find device information, use a reputable device information application from the Play Store, if the Play Store is available on your phone. Open the application and look for the Google Services Framework ID. If it is displayed, copy the ID carefully. Next, use Google's official device registration page or support instructions and follow the registration process provided for uncertified devices. If the page asks for the Google Services Framework ID, paste the value you copied into the appropriate field. Complete any verification steps and submit the registration. After registering, give Google system some time to process the change. Now, go back to your phone and open Settings. Go to Apps, find Google Play Store, and open Storage and Cache. You can try clearing the Play Store cache first. If necessary, you can also clear its storage, but remember that this may reset some Google Play Store settings. Next, restart your Android phone. After the phone starts again, open the Google Play Store. Go back to Profile, then Settings, and open About. Check Play Protect Certification again. If Google has approved and recognized the device, it should now show Device is certified. If it still says the device is not certified, the problem may be related to your phone's firmware or hardware certification. In that case, check with your device manufacturer or Google support rather than using unofficial modification methods. And that's it. These are the main steps you can try to resolve the device is not certified error in the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tutorials and helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.